In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front brake hose on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 13mm socket, remove the top fitting for the line. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you before opening this. Brake fluid will come out. Remove the metal line from the flex line. Using a pair of pliers, remove the metal clip. Pull the line out of the bracket. Remove the plastic ABS stay from the brake line bracket. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the bracket. Using an 11mm socket, remove the union bolt for the brake line. Remove the brake line from the vehicle. Be sure you remove the union bolt from the old brake line. Make sure all the washers are off the union bolt. Install the bracket. Get the bolt started in the control arm. Snug the bolt down. Install the ABS wire stay into the bracket. Install the line into the metal bracket, making sure it lines up. Push it all the way up and in and install the metal bracket. Install the metal line into the brake hose. Get this fitting started by hand. I'm using a rag around the fitting just so it's not as slippery. It's a lot easier to twist. Get it mostly installed. Snug it down. Torque the brake line fitting to 18 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Torque the bracket bolt to 106 inch-pounds. Make sure you have a crush washer on the union bolt. Install it into the brake line. Install the second crush washer onto the back side of that bolt. Get it installed into the caliper. Snug the union bolt down. Torque the union bolt to 30 foot-pounds. remove the bleeder cap. Using a 10mm wrench, open up the bleeder. We're going to wait for a steady stream of brake fluid to come out with no bubbles. Once we have brake fluid coming out in a steady drip with no bubbles, we're going to shut it back down. Get it nice and snug. Use some parts cleaner and clean the area. Wipe it down with a clean rag. Install the bleeder cap. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.